Welcome to containerhomes.net, located in beautiful San Ramon, Costa Rica. We're excited to introduce you to one of our premium container homes. This model is 25 feet in length and features a stunning exterior finished in teak wood, adding both elegance and durability. The home is equipped with a modern sliding glass door and 2 interior windows, allowing for ample natural light. Inside, the kitchen comes fully equipped with a stove, refrigerator, and tile flooring, providing both functionality and style. The walls are reinforced with cement board and 3 inches of insulation, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. This particular unit includes a spacious bathroom, offering all the necessary amenities. One of the standout features is the rooftop deck, finished with ceramic tile, perfect for enjoying Costa Rica's breathtaking views. Access is provided via a spiral staircase installed on site for your convenience. Additionally, there's the option to have us build a front wooden deck for added outdoor living space. These homes are designed to be elevated off the ground for optimal stability and airflow. We offer full delivery services and can assist with connecting to septic, electricity, and water systems, ensuring a seamless installation. For more details or to receive a personalized quote, contact us today. We look forward to helping you create your perfect container home in paradise. This version aims to sound more polished, while maintaining the key details and staying within the desired time frame.